Dropbox Business App. The pros, the cons. The Dropbox Business App isn't just cloud storage. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for saving files. It's a complete platform for file sharing, collaboration, and team management. On the pros side, Dropbox supports file syncing across devices, secure sharing, and collaboration tools like comments and version history. It integrates with Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Slack, and other productivity apps. Security is robust, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and admin controls for teams. The interface is simple, making it easy for beginners to manage files and collaborate effectively. On the con side, storage costs can be high for large teams, and advanced features like full admin reporting require higher tier plans. Syncing large files can sometimes lag, and offline access may be limited without setup. In conclusion, Dropbox Business App is ideal for organizations needing secure cloud storage with collaboration features. While costs and advanced features may be considerations for some, its ease of use, integration, and security make it a reliable choice for teams of all sizes.